everyone, welcome back to Pepcoding. So in this video, we are going to solve our next question, which is count of substrings having all unique characters, that is non-repeating characters, right? So what we are given is we are given a string. We have to find the count of valid substrings of the given string, and the valid substring is defined as a substring that has all unique characters, that is non-repeating characters, right? So now let's just take an example. If we have ABC, so how many substrings of ABC would be there? We have n into n plus 1 by 2 substrings, so we would have 3 into 4 by 2, just 6 substrings, right? So for ABCD, what we would have 4 into 5 by 2, we have 10 substrings, right? So for how 10 substrings, what will be the substrings of ABCD? Let's just see. We'll have A, AB, ABC, ABCD, right? Next we have B, BC, BCD. Next what we'll have CCD, and we have D. So we have 4, 7, 10, right? We have these 10 substrings. Okay. Next, let's just, if we have A, B, B, D, right? How many valid substrings would be there? Because this in this string we have repeating characters, right? So now what we'll have, we have the number of substrings would be A, AB, ABB, ABBD. Next we have B, BB, BBD. Next we have B, BD, and next we have D. So what all will be the valid one? We have A valid, AB valid, ABB not valid, ABBD not valid, B valid, BB not valid, BBD not valid. Next we have B valid, BD valid, D valid, right? So we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 valid substrings of ABBD. So what will be the approach, how we can find how many number of valid substrings are there? Let's just start with the easiest example. Let's just have A, B, C here. Let's just have 2 pointers. We'll have I here and we'll have J here, right? We'll start incrementing our I. I comes here. We'll make our hash map. We'll have A as 1 now. And what we'll do, we'll print A, right? Next, we'll start incrementing our I again. I comes to B. We have B1 and we'll have substrings AB and B, right? AB and B. Okay. Start incrementing our I here and we'll have C as 1 now. Now what will be the substrings? We'll have ABC, BC and C. ABC, BC and C. So we have 6 valid substrings, right? Okay. This was our approach. Let's just take the sample input and let's try this approach in it. Let's just take this one. Okay, let me just write this one. A, B, C, B, C, D, B, C, A. This is our test case. A, B, C, B, C, D, B, C, A, right? Okay. What we'll do now, we have I here, J here. Start incrementing our I comes to the first A will be 1 in the hash map, of course. What we'll print, we'll have the substring A, right? Next we have I comes to the second A. Whenever in the hash map the value becomes 2, we'll break. What we'll do now, we'll start iterating, because this becomes invalid, of course, because A came 2 times, so it will be repeating. We want non-repeating characters, so we'll start iterating with our J, and we'll start incrementing it. And what will J do? J will release the characters. So J released A, and now A again came for 1 time. Now this is valid, and we'll print this A now, right? Okay, start incrementing our I again. Now in the hash map we have B, and the value will be 1, right? What will be the answer? From I till J, it will be 2, right? The length is 2, of course. So AB and B will be our answer. AB and B. Next, we'll start iterating. I came to C. We'll have C as 1. This is valid, of course. What we'll do, we'll have the answer as ABC, BC, and C. A, B, C, B, C, and C. Okay. Incrementing our I, what we'll have, we have B as 2 now. Okay. Now what this became invalid now. We'll start iterating our J, and J will release now. So J came to the second A, it will release A first. Still this is invalid because B is still came for 2 times, and we want non-repeating characters, right? So of course B is repeating. So let's just start iterating our J again. We'll have released B for 1 time. Now what we'll have as an answer, this is valid. B and C came for 1 time. So these are valid. We have CB and B as answer now. CB and B, right? Okay. Now C came, and we'll increment. We have the value 2 now. What will it do? It will start incrementing our J and will release C, right? Now what we'll have in our answer, BC and C as a substring. Okay, let's just have BC and C. Now D came. D came for 1 time, right? So what we'll have now, BCD, CD, and D in our answer. So we'll have BCD, CD, and D in our answer. Okay. Next we have B. Now it became 2. Let's just start incrementing our J. What will we have? We have released B for 1 time. Released B. Okay. Now we'll have CDB, DB, and B. CDB, DB, and B. Right? CDB, DB, and B in our substrings. These are the valids one, right? Next, I incremented, and C came for the second time. This became invalid now. What we'll do? Start iterating our J. We'll have to release C for 1 time. Now what we have? DBC, BC, and C. DBC, DBC, BC, and C. Okay. Next, A came, and we have 1. So these are all valid. So it will be valid because no character is repeating now. So we'll have DBCA, BCA, CA, and A. So how many valid are there? How many substrings are there? These are all valid, of course. 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24 is our answer. Let's just see the output. So we have output as 24, right? Okay. So we have discussed our approach. Let's just discuss the code, and let's just code this one. Okay, so what we'll first do, we'll make answer variable first, and we'll have int I, which is in -1, and we'll have int j, which is in -1, of course. Okay, next we'll make a hash map of character versus integer, and give it a name as map, and we'll have new hash map. Okay, next, while this is true, what we'll do, we'll make two booleans so that we'll get to know when we have to terminate the loop. F1 equal to false, and boolean F2 equals to false, right? Next, we'll start our first loop while I is less than string dot length -1. First of all, we'll make F1 equals to true, and we'll start incrementing our I first. Okay. Next, we'll fetch the character str.caret. Next, we'll put the values character and map dot get or default the character or the null value. Okay, plus 1. Okay, this is done. Next, we'll set a condition. If our map dot get th is equals to 2, then it becomes invalid and we'll break the statement, right? Next, what we'll do, else we'll update our answer plus equals to with I minus j times, right? Okay, this part is done. We come to our next loop, which is while our j is less than I. What we'll do, first of all, we'll make f2 equals to true, and we'll start incrementing our j. Next, we'll set up the character str.caret j, of course. Okay, same thing what we'll do, map dot what we'll put character comma map dot get. We were removing the character from j1 ch minus 1. Okay, next, if our map dot get ch is equal to 1, we'll update our answer plus equals to I minus j, and we'll break. Okay, so we'll break. Next, at last, when we'll get to know that both the loops are terminated now and all the characters are over, what we'll do, if our f1 equals to false and f2 equals to false, then we'll break, and next we'll return answer. Okay, let's just run this code first and see if it's correct or not. Okay, the output is coming correct. Let's just submit this code and see if all the test cases passed or not. Okay, so all test cases passed. Let's just take this code and let's just try on this one so that it would be clear that how this approach is working with the code. Okay, I hope it is visible. And let's just have the second one. Okay, let's just erase everything so that it would be clear. So we have our test case here. Okay, so first we'll go in this loop, of course. First our I and our J is initially is here. Okay, so increment our I. We came here. We have our map. Fetch the character and we'll have A and 1, right? We'll put into our map. Then we'll see if map.get character equals to 2. No, it's not. What we'll do? Answer plus equal to I minus j. I minus j would be 1. So we'll have in our answer, we'll have 1. Okay. Okay. Next, we'll start incrementing our I again. It came to here. Next, it would be plus 1. So let's just have, we'll have 2. Now, if map.get character equals to 2, yes, it is. Break. Okay, we break. We came here. Start incrementing our j. J came here in the first A, and we'll start. We'll take the character A, and we'll do minus 1. Okay, let's just have 1 here. Now we see if map.get character equals to 1. Yes, it is. Next, what we'll do? Have the answer. Update the answer. I minus j. I minus j is 1 here. So 1 will be here. Plus, what we do next? We have start incrementing I again. We would have b equals to 1. Okay, we'll see if map.get ch equals to, no, it's not. Answer plus equals to I minus j. I minus j would be here 2, right? Okay, so we'll update our answer by 2 again. Next, we'll start iterating our I again, and we'll have c as 1 now. Okay, next what we'll have, we have map.getch equals to, no, it's not. Update our answer. We'll have I minus j as 3 now. So we'll update by 3. Okay, next. I incremented and came to B. So what will it do? Map.put, it will put value plus 1. So it would be 2, right? Now if map.get character equals to, we'll break and we'll come in this loop. So what we'll have, start incrementing our j. So j came here. So decrease the count. What we'll do? Okay, let's just decrease a. Okay, we have 0 now. Map.get ch equals to 1. No, it's not. So let's just start incrementing j again, and we'll have here. So what we'll have, decrease the b, we'll have 1. Now it is 1. We'll update our answer by I minus j. So I minus j would be 2 here. So we'll have 2 plus. Next, I came here and we'll have c as 2 now. Okay. Now we have map.get ch equals to. Yes, we'll break. We'll come here. Start incrementing our j. So j came here. it would decrease the count. It would have 1 now. Now map.get character equals to 1. Yes, it is. Update the answer I minus j. Now I minus j is 2, of course, right? So on and so forth. In our answer, the number of valid substrings are getting stored and we'll get our answer. So I hope I was clear with the concept, and thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.